Want to learn how to do this yourself? I created a course where I documented my entire workflow. The cleaning, the sanding, the priming, the airbrushing, the gluing, the masking, the assembly, every single step. And there are 2 options to take on this course. Option 1, learn at your own pace. 95 plus lessons, 12 hours of content. This is not a tips and tricks. This is my entire workflow on how I create production-ready collectible. Option 2, one-on-one mentorship. This is limited to 10 students. You get all the materials, plus a weekly call with me, just you and me, no group. We go over the material, we go over your questions, we go over your personal project. This is created for people who want direct feedback and want to release their first collectible. I'm running a discount now on my store, and once you get this course, you will receive all future updates. New techniques, new tools, everything new that I learn will be added to the course. Use code DADSQUAD at checkout to get an extra $50 off on your purchase, and I left the link in the description.
Спасибо, Кадми.